That was too long ago to remember. I can only remember 1 week.
Yeah.
Okay. Right?
Mhm.
Okay, so if we start with lower esophageal sphincter, it's best represented as this bulge of muscle right here, where the esophagus joins stomach. I'm going to jump to the stomach list. 4 regions in the stomach: the cardia, which is the region where the esophagus joins the stomach; the body, which is the majority of the stomach; the fundus, which is the area above the junction of the esophagus and the stomach; and the pylorus, which is the last part of the stomach before it joins the duodenum. The wall of muscle between the pylorus and the duodenum is the pyloric sphincter. The small curvature on top of the stomach is the lesser curvature, and the larger curvature at the bottom of the stomach is the greater curvature. The mucosal folds on the inside of the stomach are called the rugae, and the only other thing is the greater omentum, which is on the intestinal model. The fatty piece of tissue covering the intestines and the abdomen is the greater omentum, which comes from the greater curvature of the stomach. Skip to liver. Liver has 2 lobes, right and left. They are separated on the anterior by the falciform ligament. If we flip it over, the falciform ligament looks like it turns into the round ligament. The right lobe of the liver has 2 additional lobes: the square-shaped quadrate lobe on the anterior and the oval-shaped caudate lobe on the posterior. Right in the center you have the purple portal vein, hepatic portal vein. The green pear-shaped sac is the gallbladder. Coming off the top of the gallbladder is the cystic duct. It joins the right hepatic and the left hepatic unite to form the common hepatic duct. The common hepatic duct joins the cystic duct. They become the common bile duct, which is better used on the back of the pancreas. That's the common bile duct coming down to the duodenum. The pancreas itself has this is all the pancreas. This duct running right down the middle is the pancreatic duct. Small intestines, the duodenum, shortest and first part, curve right here is the duodenum. Go back to the anterior. Top half, jejunum, bottom half, ileum. Where the ileum meets the first part of the large intestine, this narrowing right here is the ileocecal junction. The first part of the large intestine on the anterior is the cecum. On the posterior, the appendix. The majority of the large intestine is the colon. From the cecum it goes up ascending. Across it's the transverse. Coming down it's the descending.